Hello guys, welcome to Turbo Dismount. Now, we're gonna play some things. Let's choose a map then, shall we? No. Let's do Missing Delivery. Cool. So this is our guy. Let's choose a car. Stuff that I can pay for. Shrieking. Come on, buddy. Go! Oh, dude, car! Run! Run! Go! Oh. That's cool. Get our obstacles. Hello! Go with a turbo pad. Then we're gonna have another turbo pad. We're going to have a big ring. There we go. Go! Maybe a little bit of lag. YOLO! Don't do this in real life, guys. Oh, I heard something break. I think we died. Mission. Look at this. That's cool. Okay. Yeah, this bit. Let's turn this into semi-big ramp. Go. Woo. And oh, new high score. That must have hurt. Look at him. Look at me for a second. Okay, cool. Go on this turbo pad. Things start to get a little bit inside. I almost get hit by a car. Get damaged there. Then, it's time to fly. Look at this. This is so cool. Let's try a different map. Wait, hold on. Wait. Get in? Oh, no! Ooh. Okay. That's okay. Getaway. Let's do this. Run that. What car would be perfect for a getaway? Token bird. Yes! I am ready to go. I paid money for this. Let's go with freaking Mr. Ego. Yes! You're in the perfect position for this. Go! Wait, oh. You're cheating! Go for the police show. I didn't steal the token bird, no! Ow. This is not the best part. Best part for this. Alright, I have another idea. Grim wagon. Wait, no. Wait, I saw something. Be justice. Why would you attack yourself? I didn't steal this police car. I didn't steal it. I didn't steal it. Trust me, I didn't steal it. I'm a 100% real police officer. Shoot. He arrested me. No. Police are coming behind me. Apparently he got stuck. Then he comes in again. I decide to make a turn. Right into it. Let's see what exactly happens here. I ram into that. That damages my head. My car kind of breaks a little bit. Like, my feet are out of the car. Then I freaking explode. Someone rammed into me. And then just freaking stuff happened. I guess. I don't even know how long this video is gonna be. Dreams. Then I ran into a wall. Then this guy comes in and freaking helps the police. And destroys my car even more. And then I just sit here. Oh. That was cool. 10 out of 10. It's 7 minutes already. Start going to slowest speed. Go! That's very slow. I'm a normal guy. Oh my god! Hi. Bye. Scared me. Obstacles. What do we got? Ooh, choices. Go for this one. Pad, freaking turbo pad. Another turbo pad. Then we're gonna have over here a mega wall. We have over here another mega wall. Here's going to be another mega wall. I'm gonna like block off everything. The rest of it's just gonna be turbo pads. I like this plan. Nope. Too many walls. Just rammed over me. Oh, is that it? You captured me? I think that you've captured me. Oh, another steering wheel. Go. I didn't do anything. Trust me. I'm a very good-looking person. Arrest me! That didn't work. One more try. How did that? I have one more idea. Let's try. Bicycle. This will be the fastest one. Go! Yeah, hi. Knock my head off. Anyone else? Nope. Okay, not the best way I wanted to go. Okay. I could go that way. To go! I want it to go, thank you. Ow. Check it. Okay, this is just a road. YOLO! Go! Do it! All of these I can flop. I can touch the graveyard. Anyone else gonna come? Please save me! Big hair compo. This looks fun. Whoa. Really? Yeah. What turbo points? And then there's going to be mines. Mines everywhere. Bike left me. Ow. I don't think the bike is quite the best for this. Let's go with the bandit. It's lagging. Switching out. YOLO! Oh yes, I'm gonna land on a mine! Boom! Boom. I'm still breaking. Look at my little head thing! Look at my neck! Where's my head? Seriously, dude, like, where did my head go? First of all, this happens. Then he glitches out and stuff. And back on the ground. My head gets hurt. Then what happens is I go this, madness happens. Yes, I think I made it all the way across. No, not quite. Sure it did. Uh-oh. Flying car. Look at me, I'm like looking down. Are you insane? Look at me. Looking down peacefully and stuff. And suddenly... Where'd my head go? I'm wondering. Nope, I don't want to be in this. Oh. Let me see where my head went. Where'd my head go? Tell me where my head went. Oh well, that happened. What happened to the vehicle? I'm wondering. So it went this way, because my head's still in the vehicle. No. Under the vehicle. See, there's me, all the way back there. There's my head. I think it's gonna ram right into it. Alrighty then, guys, this is going to be the end of this video here, guys. And if you want to see more, just tell me, I guess, in the comments. So guys, I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.